Alright, yeah, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the SigmaProbe SP1 automotive test light. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and also I'm going to leave the link in the description where you can purchase. That's right. So this is a 2004 Chevrolet Blazer, trailer Blazer. So I'm going to do a test on some fuse just to show you guys, but it will be easier to do it under the hood, but I'm going to show you this one right here. So this is a fuse box right here, guys. I'm going to squeeze this knob right here and lift up. Also another one right here. The reason I'm doing it inside because I want to show you the light on it. It's a bit darker, so it will be easier to see. Get this thing loose. I should do this first. Okay, so I'm going to attach this piece to the ground. Where it is, this piece here. Attach to this ground terminal right here. This is also seems like it's a ground strap right here. Hold on. Yeah, that's a test lead. You can for the grounds, so you can push it inside the grounds wire. It's have a pint on it. So if you cannot find anywhere to place this clip right here, it is this right here. Alright, so let me show you how to test the fuse. So right here, this is a 10 amp fuse right here. I'm going to use the pint of it and touch on the top of it just like this. As you can see, it's light. I'm going to do this also. So that's how you test the fuse to see if you have any open circuit. So if you test one of the end on the fuse and it light, and I do the other one and it don't light, that simply means the fuse are blown. So I'm going to check all of them to see if I have any cut fuse. So all of these light. So that's so simple and easy to take to check fuse in a car. You can do it yourself. Simple and easy. The link will be in the description for this tool. Simple and easy to use. Not all of them gonna light, guys. But if you have a fault, like any of your light not working or some interior issues with your electronics, you can check it. So if you are checking it and you realize that one side of the fuse not lighting, you know that the circuit open. So all of these fuses are good. So I'm going to put it back together. And that's it, guys, right there. And that's it. Also have another fuse box. So you're gonna just lift up this black piece right here. Get the tester. So in this case now, I'm going to use this end. So let me show you how you use it. So first, you don't have anywhere to plug this, to put this clip. You're gonna insert this pointed part in here in the wire. Just stick it in just like this, guys. And you get power just like that, guys. Okay, I'm showing 14.6. That's where it's charging. Okay, you can turn it on and off. 14.6 volt. So I'm also gonna check these fuse, see if any of them open. So you can read from there 14.6, or you can just turn it on and use the light on the top. And that's how you check it, guys. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.